I wanted to go through and actually create a practice test key for you to study, because if you are in blocks 2 through 5, your exam is Monday, and block 6, your exam is Tuesday. So we're going to be very careful as we go through this. So question number 1, what are the units of the slope of this graph? So there's been a lot of confusion about this. The units are given in parentheses, and the units of the slope are always the units of the rise over the units of the run. So the units in this case, if you wanted to write it like this, dollars per CD, that would be great. And what does the slope of the graph tell us in this situation? What it basically tells us is the cost per CD as the number of CDs goes up or increases. So the CDs start off cheap, I think, and you end up paying more. I would imagine that, well, we'll see how it works out when we do the graph. So write a mathematical model that describes the graph. So they say the slope is 7 and the intercept is 3.6. So again, I have cost and music. So do not write y equals mx plus b. We can say c, the cost, equals the slope, 7, times m plus 3.6. And the interpretation of the y-intercept basically is the $3.60 is the base or initial price no matter how many CDs you buy. So you're always going to have to pay that base price of $3.60. It gets calculated into your cost you buy. Now, we'll just go ahead and do the next one. So that's just kind of the idea. So no matter how many CDs we buy, we're going to have to pay this base price of $3.60. No. For the next problem, we're going to go ahead. Now, this is the kind of problem that I would probably use Wolfram Alpha for in real life. But on the exam, you're not going to have to do something that drastic. So it says the following times are measured for spheres of different masses to be pushed a distance of 1.5 meters by a stream. So let's first talk about what variable can we actually control as we change it, and that's mass. So that's clearly x, the independent variable. And time is clearly the dependent, even though in most cases that's just not true. So the letter we'll use is m for mass and t for time. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to actually set up our graph. And in fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video here, and I'm going to finish up problem 2 in the next video.